Good morning, this is Sabarish, working as assistant professor in NPR College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about a fast Fourier transform. Already we know what is fast Fourier transform in the last class. Okay, so now we are going to see some algorithms. We are having two types of algorithms, a DIT algorithm and then DAF algorithm. Okay, so already we know why we are going for this FFT, that is fast Fourier transform. The main thing is the number of complex multiplications and additions we are going to reduce those complex multiplications and additions, that is number of calculations. Okay, so already we know what is fast Fourier transform here. This is proposed by Cooley and Tukey in 1965. Okay, it is found in 1965. So first one, already we have seen we are going to reduce the number of complex multiplications and additions. How we are going to reduce, that is very important. Okay, by using the DFT formula, we can find DFT and IDFT. Okay, we have basic formulas. Okay, by using that direct computation, the complex multiplications are n square and complex additions are n into n minus 1. For example, the capital N value is 8. The capital N value is 8. Then the number of complex multiplications will be 8 square. That is n square formula. So we should do 64 complex multiplications. Same thing in complex additions, the formula is n into n minus 1. So we have to do 56 complex additions. Okay, 8 into 7 is equal to 56 complex additions. Okay, so next one, so this is the example. Another one example we are having here. We calculated for 64 point DFT. For 64 DFT, 64 point DFT, we should do 4096 complex multiplications, and then if we use FFT, then what is the complex multiplications and complex additions? Okay, so if we use FFT, the formula will become n by 2 log n base 2. Why we are having base 2 here? That is why the thing is here we are using radix 2 FFT algorithm, so we used log base 2. Okay, the formula in this formula, apply capital N is equal to 64. We will get 64 by 2 log 64 base 2. The value will become 192. Okay, so the speed improvement factor will be n squared by n by 2 log n base 2. We already know that. So 4096 by 192 is equal to 21.33. This is the speed improvement factor for capital N is equal to 64. Okay, so next one, we are going to discuss about FFT algorithms. The first algorithm is DIT and second one is DIF, that is decimation in time, decimation in frequency. Okay, what is decimation? Decimation is decomposing. Okay, decimation is decomposing. We are going to divide the n point DFT into a smaller number of samples of n point DFT. Okay, so the first one is DIT. In DIT, we are going to divide the n point sequence into even and odd values of subsequences. Okay, we are going to divide the n point DFT into even and odd number of subsequences. Okay, the thing is okay, so even and odd means for example, here we are having some examples. Okay, so here we consider 16 point DFT. Okay, here we considering 16 point DFT. So in DIT FFT algorithm, how we are going to divide this values? Okay, so 15 point means it starts from 0 and end at 15. Okay, so first thing is here we are going to divide even and odd. So even values in the one side and the odd values in the another side we are having. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These values are even values, and then odd values of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and then 15. These are the odd values. Okay, this is first decompose. Okay, so the 16 point DFT is divided into two 8 point DFTs, which is having even and odd subsequences. Okay, this is 8 point DFT. Next one, again we are going to divide the 8 point DFTs into four 4-point DFTs. Okay, 4-point DFTs. So the first decomposition is 0, 4, 8, 12, and the second decomposition is 2, 6, 10, 14. Like that, the odd value is again divided into even and odd. We will get 1, 5, 9, 13, and then another subset is 3, 7, 11, and 15. Okay, again it is divided into 8 2-point DFTs. Okay, again the second stage is divided into 8 2-point DFTs. Okay, we will get 0, 8 in one set, 4 and 12 in the another set. So that second 4-point that is divided into 2 and 10, 6 and 14. Like that 1, 5, 9 and 13, and also for 3, 7, 11 and 15. Okay, now we get 8 2-point DFTs. Finally we divide the 2-point DFTs into 16 1-point DFTs. So 0, 8, 4, 12, 2, 10, 6, 14, 1, 9, 5, 13, 3, 11, 7, 15. Like that we are going to divide. Okay, in DIT again I am saying in DIT that n-point DFT is divided into even and odd number of subsequences. Okay, like that here we have divided. Okay, so next one is DIF FFT algorithm. Okay, so in DIF of FFT algorithm it is divided into first half and then second half. Okay, that n-point DFT is divided into first half and second half. Okay, so the thing is the input sequence x of n is divided into two sequences, x1 of n and x2 of n, consisting of first n by 2 samples of x of n and the last n by 2 samples of x of n respectively. Okay, so here that decomposition here we are having. Okay, so here we are considering 8-point DFT. Okay, here we are considering 8-point DFT. So the first 8-point DFT is 0 to 7. Okay, these are the 8 points. Now we are going to divide first 4 and then last 4. So we will get 0, 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the first stage. In the second stage, we are going to divide the 0, 1, 2, 3, these 4 points into first 2, last 2. So we will get 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like that. For 4, 5, 6 and 7, we will divide into 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that we are going to divide. So we are having 3 stages here. First one is that 8-point is divided into 2 4-point, that is first stage. Second stage is that 4-point DFT is divided into two 2-point DFTs, and finally it is a single point DFT. So we will get 0, 4, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. Okay, 0, 4, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. So the input is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That output is 0, 4, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. This is called bit reversal. Okay, this is called bit reversal. If we write it in binary, then we can understand what is bit reversal. Okay, so for example, that one value is, we can write it as 001, and here and finally we are having 4. Okay, for 1 we are having 4, so 4 we can write it as 100. Okay, here 100, and for 1001, so it is called bit reversal. Okay, the input and output is on bit reversal order. Okay, this is DIF. So today we discussed about what is FFT, and then what is the complex multiplications and complex additions for DFT and FFT algorithm, and then finally what is the difference between DIT and DIF. Okay, thank you.